Hey everyone, welcome to another video. Look at this stuff. PAA. Look at this stuff. Beautiful. Now, if there's cuts throughout the videos because I'm coughing and spluttering, still got a cold that I can smell though. It's just more like a chesty cough with phlegm. It's as nice as that sounds. But look at this stuff. This is just finishing off here. My PAA Solar Flare blush with Black Bot by PAA, which is a take on Black Belt, which was only released for a few years. It's a cologne, like an aftershave splash if you will. And this is the regular formula, it's not the CK6. And look at it. Beautiful stuff. Said to be like a fresh, citrusy, musky, slightly woody, and I agree, definitely a musky, masculine, but still sort of fresh and little citrusy. It's got bergamot and lavender, so a traditional way of sort of doing something fresh yet masculine, musky, a little woody, and really nice. I mean, you can see this, just absolutely beautiful. It's like silk. Who needs like tallow when you can get vegan stuff like this? So hope you're all doing alright, having some good shaves. Like I said, I'm still a little flued up, but I can smell and enjoy my scents in my soaps and fragrances and aftershave splash and all that, so it's good. In with my Slock by Razor Rock. I do have a PAA razor coming, and a soap combination and something else, I can't remember. Anyway, got a brand new 7 o'clock Gillette yellow in here. So I hope you're doing alright and having some good shaves and enjoying your enjoying your shaves and all your products and buying lots of things, you know, to people. Yes, I am a PAA fanboy. You know, I don't really care what you say. I like their products, I like the artwork, I like the soaps are good, you know, the scents are always good. There's a reason behind them. Yeah, so I decided to go and buy a razor. So, without further ado, let's go on with my first pass. Alright, first pass. Black Bot. Nice scent. It's about, I think it's about, I don't know, maybe strength wise probably 5 or 6 out of 10. I would say 6. You know, you can definitely smell it, but it's not overbearing. Just about right really for a shave soap, in my opinion. I like to be able to smell it, but I don't want it to sort of need it to fill the room or anything else. I love the scent, or it's nice sometimes. Very nice. Lovely soap, this. Lovely how you get a vegan / vegetable soap to be it's good. It's pretty good. He's got his so this is the non-CK6 and it's this good. I have got a couple which are CK6 and they perform more like a tallow in the way that they feel. I prefer this one, just because of the feel of it, but I mean, you can get this stuff. One of the best, if not the best, vegan based soaps there is. Whether it's CK6 or this one. choice for your scents as well. But performing fantastic. This is a good razor blade in this razor as well. You do get a little bit of blade feel with this razor. Let me know in the comments below. Razor Rock still offer this one, the Slock. Everywhere in the UK doesn't really seem to have it. It's all sold out. Has been for quite some time. And I'm just wondering if they've stopped making this one, I don't know. So quick rinse. Oh, super slick. Oh, there's so much salt still left on the skin. And this, I would say this is, right now it's tied with my favourite scent from PAA. I haven't tried everything, but I like Arabian Banana, and I would probably I even say that this is my number one and Arabian Banana number two. Which is just a lovely, pleasant, not too strong, nice feel. The scent is just, it's there, but it's not too old school. It's like a smell like old manish, or you know what I mean. It's not too spicy. It's not just fresh. It's got a bit of all sorts going on. It doesn't smell like, say, old-fashioned, or and it's just a pleasant smell all round. If you like musk based scents, you're going to enjoy this one. So, second and final pass. Alright, let's get going. Always get good feedback with this razor. Looking forward to the new to me PAA razor that is being sent in the post. It's going to be about a week before it arrives. Something I've had on for quite some time, so I thought I'd sod it. My last order was just soaps and aftershave oils, which is what I'm shaving with right now. I do. I think I've come across a PAA soap I haven't particularly liked scent-wise. Of course, all the bases are the same. If you, well, apart from the two variants, obviously, but I mean they're almost the same to me. Of course, there's some I prefer over others. Like this one's probably my number one right now. But I haven't had a shave with Sundance yet, or champagne. Although I know I like champagne, I like everything so far from PAA. But just out the tub and the aftershave, out the two, I prefer Sundance. Out the two I haven't tried. That's probably on next weekend's agenda. Perfect. So, quick rinse. Ooh, yeah, magical. Absolutely brilliant. So, going to wash off, well, a face wash with the rest of this lather. Look at this stuff. Lovely, lovely, soft, creamy leather, beautiful scent on it. Oh yeah, much more scent now without really rubbing it in, scent's coming out. Again, only about a pretty 6 out of 10 for its strength, but that's just about right for me. 6 or 7 is just nice for me. Anything more than that, it can get a bit too much. This is definitely got like a slightly dirty musk. But then other things sort of freshen it up a little bit, like the lavender is there. A little bit of bergamot. So, you know, face wash, and then I'll come back in a minute for my post shave. Oh yeah, nice feel, not dry, not hydrated, just not overly hydrated I should say. Very, very good. No irritation, brilliant. So, aftershave splash, Black Bot, right here. Yes, so good restrictors on these. You need to shake a fair bit to get some out. Better that than losing half of it. This does contain glycerin with alcohol based. Oh, very, very dirty musky smell, but with a clean lavender bergamot on top. Very nice, very masculine. Clean yet masculine. A little bit of a burn, not much. Yeah, musk, very musky and woods heavy I would say. And just a top of a freshness. So, I have tried this before. Some Nivea Men Fresh Kick. I have put this on top of a PAA cologne before and give it about 10 minutes. It soaks in and all you can smell is the cologne. So this does not taint the cologne in any shape or form, which is good. It does right now, but as soon as you give say 10 minutes, the cologne scent just comes right out. So hence why I'm using a bit of that, because it doesn't mess with the aftershave splash. So that is it, ladies and gents. That is my shave of the day. Hope you enjoyed it as much as me. I'll quickly run through again what I used. Razor Rock Slock, open comb, double open comb, and with a 7 o'clock yellow blade in that, a very sharp blade in there. Maybe the greens or Persona is a bit smoother, but still a very good shave all the same. Lathered up with my Phoenix Solar Flare, just keeping that sort of yellowy orange, yellowy kind of theme. I know it's not yellow, but it sort of goes with Black Bot, sort of. Very, very nice. Of course, this is not the CK6, it's a regular one, and you saw how good it was. But Black Bot, real good. Cologne, washed off with the remaining of the lather, and put some Black Bot aftershave splash on. Again, it does say it's got aloe vera, glycerin, and carrot seed extract. That's it, thank you for watching. I do appreciate it. As always, give me a thumbs up if you like the video. Subscribe if you haven't already, it would really help me out. Any comments, just leave them below. I'll answer you as soon as you can. And hopefully, see you again soon on the next one.